Today we are going to discuss some Visual Studio extensions that are necessary to download. Number one is VS Code icon. Currently, I have two files in my VS Code that are HTML files. I can see by the extension of the files that these are HTML files. Now I am going to download VS Code icon extension. It is start downloading. Once it's installed, we will see what happened. It's downloaded. Now the two files I have are shown with the icon of HTML so that I can recognize the file without reading the extension. If you have JavaScript file, it will show JavaScript extension icon. Next extension we are going to discuss is about GitHub theme. I like this theme very much. I already downloaded it. It has a dark version and a light version. You can choose anyone you like. Next theme is code snap. If you want to share the code with your friend, you can just take the snap of that code using code snap icon. It will give you a beautiful snap of your code. Let's download it. I'm installing the extension of code snap. Now let's take a snap of a part of code I'm selecting. Right click and code snap. So this is the code snap I get. I can save this code snap to my laptop by pressing the icon. If I want to take a snap of complete code, I need to select the complete code and just save it to my laptop. Another extension I am going to discuss is of auto tag rename. So let's download auto tag rename. It is a very helpful extension if you are working on HTML especially. For example, here in my code, I am going to change title to meta. The ending tag is changed automatically because of this extension. So it will help you while coding. Another extension is live server. This is also very useful extension. For example, I have this code. Once I downloaded the live server, what happened we will see. Let's install live server. Once the live server is downloaded, we need to right click and go to preview live server. Open with live server. When I open with live server, now the browser will open automatically with the IP address of your local PC, as currently your web page is on your local PC and a port 5000. If you want to down this live server, you simply have to click at bottom of your page and click and stop it. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more
insight on the fascinating world of technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.